Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM and micro SD. This prevents shorts and accidental reboots. Once done, strap on ESD protection and clear a clean work area. Make sure screws go in a labeled tray. Now remove the back or display bezel using the suction and plastic picks. You want slow, even pressure to avoid cracking. As you open, watch adhesive paths and flex cables so you can access the display connector without tugging. This first move sets success. With the battery disconnected, you reduce short risk. Next, remove the shielding plate over the display flex. Keep screws organized by length. Once exposed, flip the latch and inspect the connector for corrosion, debris, or bent pins. Cleaning with isopropyl 90% and a soft brush can help. If lines persist, replace the display assembly. Align the flex, press the connector in until you hear a click, then relock the latch. This reestablishes the signal path that usually causes horizontal lines. After securing the display connector, reconnect the battery and power the phone on to test. Look for horizontal lines at different brightness, and when rotating the screen, this verifies the fix. Once confirmed, power down, reapply adhesive, and reassemble in reverse order while matching screw locations and torque. If lines persist after a confirmed good display, then you likely have a damaged display driver or motherboard connector. In that case, try another known good screen or consult a board-level technician as the single remaining.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.